Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Ornament Soldier from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the tip of his head with a semicircle line across right there. And on the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, flare it out at the bottom point right there. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. And from the points below, I'm gonna draw a line across inwards, right that. Turn it upwards with a curved line, sharp turn back down with a curved line, and turn it sideways. And I'm gonna repeat the same shape across. I'm gonna make the length of each pieces random. Some are short and some are long, like that. And going back to the tip above his head, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line right there and turn it sideways at the top. Zigzag line back down to the tip above his head, and at the upper point of the zigzag lines, I'm gonna draw across a line, and at the side I'm gonna draw a zigzag line upwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well, and turn it up and turn it to the left all the way to the tip of the ear, sideways, turn it back down, sideways, to the left, turn it back up, sideways and down. And I'm gonna make a diagonal line to the left and downwards, turn it down, sideways, and I'm gonna extend this line at the front downwards and turn it sideways. An oval shape at this corner, and I'm gonna go back down and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the fringe at this corner, and I'm gonna add some random pieces along the way, and I'm gonna add another one on the right side right there. And I'm gonna draw another layer of the similar shape across again. And at the front of his face, I'm gonna draw one piece coming out from the top and another short one at the side on the left. And I'm gonna draw another layer of the fringe on the left side here. I'm gonna do the same thing again below that right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing also on the right side here. And on the right side right there, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape, and below that a circular shape right there. And I'm gonna draw another layer of the leaves at the corner right there. Now for the face shape, I'm gonna take this point on the left and draw a diagonal line to the side of the chin, across at the chin right there, diagonal turn back up on the right side right there. And below the head, I'm gonna draw a line down on the left and right for his neck, and at the base of the neck, I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line. Now going back to his face, I'm gonna draw a line down off center for his eyebrow, diagonal curved line upwards at the outer corner right there, turn it downwards at the side. I'm gonna copy the same shape at this upper point right there, and for his eye I'm gonna draw a line up from the center point right there below the eyebrow, turn it sideways to the right and turn it back down diagonally at the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna go back to the inner corner of the eye and draw a curved line across for the lower line of his eye right there, and a circle inside of the eye at that point. And I'm gonna copy the whole eye shape on the left side right here. Now for his nose, I'm gonna draw downwards from the middle point a curved line down, and for the tip of the nose I'm gonna draw a semicircular line across at that corner, a curved line down on both the left and right side of the nose right there, and below the nose I'm gonna draw his mouth with a curved line across. Below that, I'm gonna draw another curved line across for the lower lips. Now from the side of the neck, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the leaves again across for the outfit. And on the right side of his shoulder right there, I'm gonna copy the same shape as the ornaments right there, and I'm gonna continue to draw the leaves as we go below, and I'm just gonna copy the same shape across. An ornament on the left side right there, and continue to draw the leaves across again. Now below that, I'm gonna draw the llama in the middle here with a rectangular shape for his ear, and on the left side I'm gonna draw a diagonal line down, turn it downwards, turn it in sideways and back out, turn it down, and diagonal turn to the right and up, diagonal turn downwards and sideways, and turn it up on the right side right there, and diagonal turn to the left. An oval shape for his eye and a diagonal line on his snout right there. On his neck, I'm gonna draw some lines across right there, and below that I'm gonna draw the buckle of his belt with a line across for the top point, turn it downwards at the side, and I'm gonna copy the same shape at this lower point right there, and at the gap at the side there I'm gonna draw a line of the belt across, a line down at the middle point right there, and a line across for the lower part of the belt. I'm gonna do the same thing for the left side here, and a line down at the side. At the side of the belt on the left, I'm gonna draw a line up for his waist, but on the right side I'm gonna continue to draw the leaf shape right there, and another piece of the same shape below that. Below the belt I'm gonna draw a line down on the left side here, turn it sideways across to the right. And for his arms, I'm gonna draw the sleeves with the same shape again across the arm right there, and below that I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards slightly, turn it back in towards the wrist. I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the arm right there, a curved line across for the top of his glove, turn it downwards, another curved line across at that point, and another one slightly above it. Coming down from that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at the side on the left right there, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally back to the right and down, semicircle turn upwards, and follow that line upwards, sharp turn back down to the other finger, turn it diagonally to the left, and semicircle turn at the tip upwards. I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other fingers on the right there, and a curved line up all the way to the side of the wrist on the right. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the left arm right here. Now below the shirt, I'm gonna draw at the side on the right here the same shape of the fringe or the leaf across at the side here, and I'm gonna copy the same shape again. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here as well. And in the middle of the pants, I'm going to draw across a curved line right there. And from off center on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. And I'm going to do the same thing for the left side as well. And from the side of the thigh, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards. And we're going to do the same thing on the left side right there, and on the left side I'm gonna add an ornament at that corner, and we're gonna continue to draw the same fringe at the side on both legs. Now for his shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards on the left side right there for the back part, and from the front part I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the front tip of the shoe, semicircle turn downwards at the front, and I'm gonna draw a curved line from the front all the way to the back of the shoe right there. I'm gonna draw a similar line across at this upper point right there, and at the front tip of the shoe I'm going to draw a curved line, turn it downwards at the side. And I'm going to draw another curved line at the back here for the strap, and another one right there, a line across at the side. From the front of that strap I'm going to draw a line down and curved line downwards at the side, and behind it another curved line to the side, sideways, and another curved line across to the top point right there. And for the right side of the shoe I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn at the side. I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side of that shoe, curved line across at the base right there, a line down on both sides, and another curved line across right there. Curved line at the front tip of the shoe, downwards at the sides. copy the same curved line across again for the strap, and another one behind it. Align downwards on both ending point at the side, and align down in the middle point off center right there. I'm gonna draw some ornaments on his pants at this corner on the right, and I'm gonna do another one on the left side at this lower point right here, and a llama head at this corner, and I'm gonna copy the same shape as the one we've drawn above. And along the thigh on the right, I'm gonna draw a curvy line across right there, and along that curvy lines I'm gonna draw some rectangular shape at the side right there. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side at this point, around the knee right there. And another one from the left shoulder to the side of his neck right there. And one on his waist like that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!